The terms tall, high-rise, and skyscraper are often used when describing structures that are notable for their height, but there is in fact a difference between buildings which are tall and true skyscrapers. There is no clear definition of what constitutes a tall building, and it is not to some extent subjective. A 10-story structure that is the tallest building in regional town or low-rise city, for example, would easily become lost if it were placed in Hong Kong or Chicago. To qualify as a true skyscraper, a structure must be self-supporting and not require tension cables or support in order to remain standing. In addition, habitable floor space must occupy at least 50% of the structure's total height. Super tall buildings rise to more than 300 meters, 984 feet in height. Such towers used to be an exception, and only 22 schemes reached this height in the 20th century. With just 3 towers in this category at the time of publication, structures that reach the dizing height of more than 600 meters, 1,969 feet, move into the class of mega tall.